We are City Beach Function Centre in Wollongong. We are right on the beach, so we can do anything from a corporate event to a social birthday party or a wedding. So anything totally up to you, what you want, and it's your space to do what you will with. In Wollongong, there isn't many function centres, there's not many options. So if you're looking for a function or a wedding or something like that, we are one of the #1 places to go. Weddings are predominantly our business, and we love making people's dreams come true. As you can see, the room is pretty neutral. So as we sell it to our clients, we say it's their space to create what they want, and the simplest colour change in anything can make the room look so different. And you know, just last night we had a wedding in here which looked completely different to this today, which is a christening. So it can totally change based on how they want the setup to be. They love the overall look, and the furniture adds to that. So as you know, from the tables to the chairs to the decorations, it all adds together to create the overall look for the room. So the chairs you see here are more for our social events and things like that, as well as our weddings, and they really help to create the overall look. The tradition and that for these functions is changing so much. We do try to keep up with modern trends and things, and that's where this furniture is great, because it really supports that, and our clients see it and think it's incredible because it all comes included for them, and it helps them to create that modern event. We need to be able to store the furniture, we need to be able to move it, we need it to be able to be lightweight as well, so we can lift and move. Manual handling and all that is a massive factor too. So for us, those kind of criteria were really important. It was amazing. So they were on point, they were quick to get back to us, delivery was efficient. We needed the chairs with a quick turnaround and they were here. We're an in-house everything, so food, beverages, packages, the whole lot, setup, centerpieces, styling, all of that we do in-house for you. Yes, all our information is online, but until you walk into the place you don't understand how incredible it is. So it's always, we would love to show you around, come and see what we can offer and see what we can do here at the venue for you.